This is Grilla Grills in 60 seconds. We bring you the best pellet grills and smokers on the market. The Grilla, Silverbac, and Kong all give you that real wood-fired barbecue that you crave, and it's right in your backyard. Our grills are built to last with heavy-gauge stainless steel and rock-solid construction that ships free right to your door. We started as a 40-year-old family-owned business right here in Holland, Michigan. We used our construction and automotive expertise to design and build our first pellet furnace back in 2007. We used that experience to design and build the original Grilla. Here at Grilla Grills, we're all about making you a star in your backyard, and we're here to help you every step of the way. Grilla Grills is not just about us, you guys. It's about all the families that get together for some good home-cooked meals. So come join our family here at Grilla Grills.
Grilla Grills, lasting durability, one-to-one service from our family to yours. Shop Jungle Direct today at grillagrills.com.